Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to install Unity on Linux and how to solve problems with the graphics card. This becomes handy if you want to see this playlist about deep reinforcement learning with Unity. So enjoy! And with this, we can directly start by typing Unity download into Google. When opening the first page, we can go to the download section and then we can install it for Windows, Mac, or in our case, Linux. And the installation with Windows is also not problematic. Just download a file and follow the instructions. So we are opening now the Linux installation and open a terminal. And in this terminal, we just copy paste all the commands, and that's it. Very simple and straightforward, just copy pasting, pressing enter, and then the installation will start when we use the command sudo apt-get install Unity Hub. Once the download is finished, we can open Unity Hub and create an account if we do not have one already. Once you click Create Account, you are forwarded to the web page on which you have to create a Unity ID. And once this is done, you can use it to sign in into Unity Hub. Once we're signed in, we can install the Unity editor in a directory of choice, for example in the home directory. And once we have set this, we can start the installation. And when we agree on everything, then the download will begin and we see the progress bar of the download. Then we get forwarded to the Unity onboarding, which we can skip or start. When we start it, it will ask you several questions, which you then again can answer or just skip. The most important question to my mind is about the theme, where I would recommend to use the dark theme because this is the most enjoyable for the eyes. Now everything is done. You have a space at a Unity cloud and all functionalities of Unity. Once the Unity 6 download is ready, we can start creating a project by just clicking on the top right on New Projects, and then we can pick one of the example projects, which I would recommend you to do, because then you have a full scene and you know if everything worked or not. So let's pick your favorite environment, load it, and then think about a name which you want to give and a folder directory where you want to save the project. So just navigate to a folder which you would like to use for storing all your projects and then give the project a name. Then you can also decide if you want to connect with the Unity cloud or not, but you don't have to. But then click Create Project so that Unity Engine starts and loads the project. And by the way, if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Super, so either you have now everything installed and you're ready for the next step, for example, machine learning agents with Unity, like here, or you're in front of a red screen and you don't know how to solve it, then just keep watching. It could look like this. So the Unity environment starts, it looks not too bad, and if we click play, then we also see that the game starts and everything looks kind of normal. But there's everywhere this kind of reddish light. And this is annoying, and this is a bug which you face with Linux and Unity sometimes. But luckily, there is a solution for this bug, and it's not too complicated, and I will shortly show you how it works. So we have to go to the edit, then to project settings, and there you can go to the player mode. And within the player, you can choose which graphics API you want to have. So we unclick the button and drag and drop the Vulkan API to the top, and then we restart the editor. Once the complete process finished, it should look like this. So without these annoying reddish color and everything without the bugs. So congratulations again, you have installed Unity. And if you want to learn now how to train your own machine learning agents, then take a look here or here. Enjoy the process. Thank you for watching. And if you want to support me on my journey, please consider to like and subscribe. And if you want to support me a bit more, take a look at Patreon. There you will see videos earlier, and I will upload videos which are too detailed for YouTube. So thanks a lot and see you next time.